Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day, I think it's 106. We are back home at the Badger Den. Daytona was awesome. Had a great time. I just got my workout in, so that was awesome. I wondered if I was going to be able to do it. As you can hear, I can barely talk, but I think I'm feeling a little better. It's warm today, 75 and humid when I started at like 7 o'clock this morning. So this is definitely a Florida spring day. Anyway, so I'm in recovery mode. Hopefully I'll get over this cold and all soon. I'm happy to report that I weighed myself this morning and I was the exact same as when I left. So a week, 9 days of not being strict on the diet, kind of eating some other stuff. Well, you saw me, I ate a couple donuts, cookie dough flatas, a bunch of different junk food, and just a couple of normal meals a day, and I maintained the weight, so that's great. So now I can start working on losing at least 3 more pounds. But according to the internet, my ideal weight for my height, which is 5'8", is like 165. So I need to lose about 13 pounds if I'm going to be my ideal weight. I always told Angie I never cared about the weight, I cared about the look. So we'll just see how everything progresses from here. Anywho, it's Monday. We've got to do all the stuff we couldn't do on the road last week, and our next big trip is in April. Mid-April we'll be headed to Eureka Springs for Spring Fling. We got a few little events in between here and there, but for the most part we're home. And I've decided that at all costs I'm taking silver on Route 66, and from here on out. So I took red. Red did an awesome job, but red's not silver, and I'm just not happy riding red. So whatever it takes for me to get silver ready to go, silver will be going this summer. Anywho, I'm gonna go get some coffee, take a shower, get my breath back after that ride, and get to work. So happy Monday, guys. I guess you're watching this on Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. We will see you in a little while. All right, guys, so we are out of here. We're headed to Adrenaline Harley Davidson in Sarasota for a business meeting. And yeah, we're gonna take the truck because the wind is really blowing. If you can see the clouds above me, it's kind of rainy and crappy. And I still am not 100%.
I'm not riding in no rain.
In the feels department. So it'll just be easier. We're gonna hop in the Badger Mobile. And we're gonna head to Sarasota, see our friends Chuck and Shyla, and meet some new people. Anyway, off we go.
You gonna let me in?
It's unlocked. Yeah, I let you in. There you go. She doesn't check first. She just assumes. All right, so we were going to be on time until some knucklehead passed the exit on the highway. So we went like 14 miles out of our fucking way because I had to go down and turn around. And by the time I realized that I had passed it, we're gonna be like 5 minutes late.
And he hates being late.
I hate being late. I mean, we're always late. You watch the videos, you see it. Like, we were late. We've been late all week. So I mean, I don't know why I expect this to be any different. Late to me is like 15 minutes early. So 5 minutes after or more is really fucking late. So anyway, we're almost there if this light ever changes. And
which is 4:08.
Is it? According to what?
Okay, 4:07.
Damn, we're more than 5 minutes late. Great first impression. Good job, Ange. Anyway, we're almost there. See what happens. All right, we're here, but we're late. They still have my mural up there, though. I want that. How do I get them to give me that?
It's like in the...
I know, I want it.
Hi.
Hey guys, how do I get that? Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
All right. Where do you think Chuck's at? Let's find Chuck.
Is there anything you guys want to look at?
Yes, Chuck.
Chuck.
Hey Chuck, you up there?
Up in his office?
Oh.
I'll go grab him.
Tell him his guests are here.
Can't be as bad as that last person.
Cool looking.
All right, meeting's over. Time to go eat. There's what the fuck Chuck and his truck. Fuck Chuck and his truck. I like it. And we're gonna go find some food. Are we following them? Yes.
We could, yeah. We could. It's not that far away.
Yes. I mean, you got the truck for it.
Is it a board? Nope.
It is. Found on road dead.
23.
All right, guys. So while we're here waiting for food, the girls are like, we want to go to Victoria's Secret. I don't know why they want to go there, but anyway. So Chuck and I are like, well, let's walk the mall and look for a shoe store, which, by the way, we haven't seen a single shoe store. But then I'm like, it's been a long time since I've been in the mall. The name of that store is Psycho Bunny. Where the fuck am I? I don't know what's supposed to be in a mall anymore. And this is huge. It's 2 stories of crap I don't care about.
You know what we are not?
What are we not?
You and I are not forever 21.
We're not.
That's becoming painfully apparent in this visit to the mall.
Oh, guys, it's been a long time since I've been here, and I do not belong here. Like, we were walking up to the Saks Fifth Avenue door, and they literally shut the door on us. I was like, they saw us coming, man, because we were going to walk through there to get to Victoria's Secret. They just closed the door. What's that tell you? You see a bunch of Harley people coming, they're like, oh no, lock the door. All right, guys. That is a wrap for today. We just got back from Sarasota, eating with our friends Chuck and Chyla. We ended up at the Cheesecake Factory. Fortunately, I gained no weight over the past week, so I may have had another cheat meal tonight. We had some pasta and cheesecake. Anyway, I don't care, whatever it is. We walked it off in the mall because while we were waiting, the girls had to go to Victoria's Secret. So Chuck and I walked the entire mall, first and second level. So I already worked it off before I ever even ate it. Anyway, that's a wrap for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.